Good morning, no. Hello, 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 hello. How are you? Good morning, dear children and dear parents. Welcome back to our English class for today. Muy buenos días, niños. Muy buenos días, papitos. Espero se encuentren super fine. I'm really happy to see you today. Espero que les haya encantado el viaje, así como a mí me fascinó. Y que estemos preparándonos para nuestra evaluación del viernes. ¡Yeah! Bueno, espero que podamos repasar los temas y podamos recordar el vocabulario que hemos trabajado a lo largo del año. Obviamente no va a ser todo. El día lunes se les envió el vocabulario que es específico y pues yo voy a trabajar sobre ese. Entonces, no siendo más, comencemos. Vamos a ver un pequeño video de Disney, of course, about colors y ya regresamos.
It's morning in the jungle. The leaves are green. The water is blue. The flowers are pink. What beautiful colors! What a beautiful day! Mowgli is happy to live in the jungle. There are colors everywhere. But when night comes, everything is blue in the jungle. Good night. What do you see in the jungle? Elephants! 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 A gray elephant. Monkeys. Brown monkeys. Bananas. Yellow bananas. Coconut. A brown coconut. Leaves. Green leaves. And flowers. Flowers everywhere. These flowers are pink. This flower is white. The jungle is beautiful. Now, repeat. There are colors everywhere. These flowers are pink. This flower is white. When night comes, the jungle is blue.
Colors here, colors there, many colors here and there. Colors colors, colors everywhere. Blue, blue, the big blue sky. Gray, gray,
Gray elephants.
white, white, pretty white flowers. Colors here, colors there, many colors here and there. Colors here, colors there, colors, colors everywhere. Yellow, yellow, yellow bananas. Brown, brown, funny brown monkeys. Black, black, happy black seals. Colors here, colors there, many colors here and there. Colors here, colors there, colors, colors everywhere.
Okay, now after watch the video, we are going to review the colors. So here I have the colors and the name of the color. Okay, so the color is yellow. Yellow, the color is yellow. Here the color is yellow. So which things are yellow? So I have some here. I want to show you. Okay, so we have the sun is yellow. Sun is yellow and orange too. This ladybug is yellow. And of course, the bee has got yellow on it. Yellow. The color is yellow. Excellent. Yay. Okay, next color. We're going to put on this here. This here. Okay. What is this color? The color is red. Red. The color is red. Which things are red? Which things are red? The ladybug. Okay. The ladybug is red. Excellent. Also, I have a strawberry and an apple. Yay! The color is red. Excellent. Next color. The color is blue. Blue. The color is blue. Which things are blue? Blue. The color is blue. Which things can be blue? Blue. This little house is blue. Excellent. The color is blue. And this dragonfly, look at the wings, las alas are blue. Excellent. So, also we have the water is blue. Excellent. Water. Great job. The color is blue. Good. Okay, now, sorry. What is the color? The color is green. The color is green. So let's see which things are green, okay? Green. So we have here, the grass is green. Oh my gosh. Excuse me. The grass is green. This grasshopper Este grillito is green, the grasshopper, and the leaf is green. These things are green. Excellent! Yeah. Green. Now the other color, orange. The color is orange. Orange. The color is orange. What things can be orange? So, we have a pumpkin. Excellent. A basketball ball. And also we have orange, of course. Yeah! These are orange. The color is orange. Okay, let's continue with the review about colors. What is this color? The color is purple. Purple, that's right. Excellent. Which things are purple? We have balloons, umbrella, and grapes. Yeah! The color is purple. Good job. Now, the other color. What is the color? The color is pink. Pink. The color is pink. Which things are pink? A rose. Excellent. A pig. Oink, oink, oink. Good job. And a cake. Yeah! Y the color is pink. Excellent. Good job. Now, what is the color? The color is brown. Brown. The color is brown. Which things are brown? Nuts are brown. Excellent. What else? A guitar is brown. Great. And a bear, a teddy bear is brown. Yay, excellent! Good job! The color is brown. Okay, let's continue with the review about the vocabulary. Colors. What is it? Black. Black. It is black. The color is black. Which things can be black? Yes, a cat. Excellent. What else? An apron. Good job. And a car, of course. Yeah, excellent. The color is black. Great job. And the last one. The color is white. White. The color is white. Can be. Which things can be white? A igloo. Excellent. A bunny. Great job. And an owl. Yay! The color is white. Yay! Good job, babysaurios! Okay, babysaurios, is everything about colors. Now we are going to go to review the vocabulary about can be. Ready? Okay, let's start. Okay, what is it? It is a campfire. Campfire. It is a campfire. The next one. It is a tent. Tent. It is a tent. Great job, babysaurios. Another one. What is it? What is it? It is a Sleeping bag. A sleeping bag. It is a sleeping bag. Great job. Now, this one, what is it? It is tree. It is a tree. Tree. It is a tree. Excellent. Great job. Now, what is it? It is a frog. It is a frog. Great job. Muy bien. Next one. What is that? It is a flashlight. Flashlight. It is a flashlight. Excellent. Okay, what are these? These are flowers. Flowers. These are flowers. Oh, wonderful. Now the last one. What are these? These are rocks. Rocks. These are rocks. Muy bien, babysaurios. Super duper. Okay, babysaurios and dear parents, is everything for today. I hope that you have fun with the activity and like the video and can remember the old vocabulary. Bueno, papitos, bueno, niños, me despido. Espero que les haya gustado la actividad, hayan recordado y repasado el vocabulary. Los voy a dejar con el video sobre farm animals. Repasen muy bien los temas de la evaluación que les envié. Y no olviden repasar los members of the family. Puesto que ya no nos vemos más y espero pues que estudien para nuestra evaluación y les vaya súper, súper, súper mega bien, que así va a ser. Así que nos vemos in the next class. Bye, bye.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. What does a cow say? Meow. Oink. Moo. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O. What does a horse say? Woof woof. Moo. Neigh. With a neigh-neigh here and a neigh-neigh there, here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh-neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. What does a pig say? Quack? Tweet tweet? Oink? With an oink oink here and an oink oink there, here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O. What does a sheep say? Cluck cluck? Oink? Ba? With a ba-ba here and a ba-ba there, here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a ba-ba. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O. What does a duck say? Meow? Moo? Quack, quack. With a quack, quack here and a quack, quack there. Here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack, quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a rooster, E-I-E-I-O. What does a rooster say? Ribbit? Meow? Cock-a-doodle-doo? With a cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doodle-doodle-doodle-doodle-doo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, E-I-E-I-O.